Hello everybody, yours truly back here with you again today. Today is Monday the 17th of April, and I just had to get outside and get out of the house for a while. It is such a beautiful day, as you can see. Went to the doctor this morning, did lab work so I can see my doctor on the 25th. Hopefully he won't come up with another 3-month leave of absence because his wife's having a baby again, hopefully. So when I see him on the 25th, it'll be right at a year, if not longer, that I got to see him the last time. But anyway, like I said, it's such a pretty day, and I had to get out of the house. I just had to do it. So I thought I'd make another video and take y'all along with me. When I left the doctor's office this morning, shoot, I wasn't even there 30 minutes. They opened to 8 o'clock. Of course, I was there at 7:30, thinking that they opened at 7:30, and they didn't. But my appointment was at 8:15. I was out of there by 8 o'clock. So, I mean, they opened the doors at 10 minutes to 8, and bada bing, bada boom, I was out of there. Run by Walmart to pick up some caulk for my kitchen, and while I was there, I did something that I don't normally do, and that's buy clothes. Now, I needed some new drawers and new undershirts, so I bought those. Only I thought I bought the undershirts. I get home and find out I bought regular T-shirts. Oh well, so I got to go back and get the undershirts. But anyway, I bought, and I also bought 3 pullover shirts and a new pair of short pants, short pants, cutoffs, whatever y'all want to call them, whatever y'all do call them, that is. But I don't like buying clothes because, first of all, I don't like trying them on at the store, and secondly, if they don't fit when I get home, like today, well, I got to take them back. Well, I lucked out today; they all fit real good, and I dodged the bullet there. But not much going on as usual. Of course, I say that in every video. Not much is going on, and because it's not. And but hopefully that's going to change here pretty soon. I was talking to Greg with Fit for Expedition Fun Seekers the other day on comment, and I can't remember exactly what he asked me, but anyway, I told him that I couldn't tell him what was going on right now, that I would see him and Kelly here fairly shortly. Not very far off in the future. And I will say this to everybody, it won't be in Honey when I head west, so I'm going to leave it at that, okay? I'm working on a deal right now, and that's all I can say. But there's, I want to stop and see him and Kelly in Tucson, and I want to stop in Phoenix and see Camp Gore 1, and I want to see my adopted older brother in just south of where Linda lives, about an hour. And there's so many things I want to go and revisit that I haven't seen since 2015 when I retired from 38 years of trucking. So I'm pretty excited about all that. So anyway, looking forward to that. And I'm really looking forward to making more videos away from my neighborhood. I mean, I've gotten bored making them here, and that's the reason I went to making so many of the YouTube shorts, because I'm fed up and I'm tired of looking at my own property on video, so I can imagine what y'all are going through. And I do apologize, but I got to put out some content somehow or another, somewhere, and unfortunately it's just my property right now, but I hope y'all can just bear with me until I can get back out west. And I'll start seeing, y'all will start seeing a lot better videos of different places, and you won't be seeing the same place all the time like you are now. But anyway, that's that, and like I said, not much going on. I just wanted to jump in here and say hello to everybody, make another video, because I've been watching researching a lot of videos from the gurus of successful YouTube channels that's got thousands and thousands of subscribers. and listen to them. And the number one thing they say is make lots of videos. Make lots of videos. Well, it's hard for me to do, since how I don't have much content to make videos with, and it's mostly here at the house, where it's about my gadgets, and I don't know. Maybe I'm just worrying for nothing, but maybe I'll get tired of that as well. But anyway, hopefully all that'll change here real soon. Hope everybody's doing well where y'all are at. Hope you're somewhere where you want to be. Hope you're having fun, enjoying yourself. Hope everybody's healthy. Gasoline prices have went up in Houston. I just drove by Sam's Club, where I usually buy my gas, and it's up to $3.09 a gallon. For the longest time, gasoline here in my area was like $2.14, and sometimes lower than that. I don't know what made it shoot up all of a sudden. I don't know. But apparently, according to the news and what I'm seeing on YouTube videos, it is supposed to happen everywhere in the USA. So if y'all ain't aware of it now, you heard it first right here. Beware, and don't be shocked when it happens. But ain't nothing we can do about it. Just deal with it and hope that things change. I mean, we've been through 2 years of this mess, and hopefully it's going to come to an end here relatively soon. But enough of that. From here on out, I'm just going to play some music and quit yakking so much. So enjoy the rest of the video.